从九州温泉到九份茶馆。Sophie 刚结束日本九州之旅，她与 Elena 和 Maya 在咖啡厅见面。Sophie 展示了她在游步院 Jiufen 泡温泉时发生的乌龙趣事，以及在熊本 Kumamoto 差点迷路的惊险瞬间。三人看着美味的拉面照片垂涎三尺，深受启发的他们当场决定下个月要一起去台湾九份，在那里的古老茶馆看海，吃热腾腾的芋圆。
Hi Elena. Hi Maya. I am so happy to see you both. I missed you so much during my trip.
Welcome home. Sophie, you look so refreshed. How was your week in Kyushu?
Finally, we have been waiting for your stories. Did you bring us any souvenirs? Or just hungry photos?
Of course I brought souvenirs. But first, you have to see these photos. Japan was absolutely magical.
I can see the excitement in your eyes. Where did you start your journey?
I started in Fukuoka. Then I took a beautiful green train, called the Yufuin no Mori, to a small town in the mountains.
Oh, I saw that train on Instagram. It looks like a moving forest. Was it comfortable?
It was like sitting in a luxury living room. I drank local cider and watched the green trees fly past the window.
That sounds so peaceful. Did you visit the hot springs there?
Yes. The onsen experience was the best part, but also the most embarrassing part of my life.
Here we go. I knew something happened. Tell us everything.
Well, Yufuin is famous for its hot springs. I went to a public bath in the evening. The steam was everywhere, and I couldn't see very well because I wasn't wearing my glasses.
Oh no. Sophie. Don't tell me.
Yes. I walked through a wooden door. I thought it was the women's section. I took off my towel and was about to enter the water when I heard a very deep voice say, "Good evening."
No way! Was it a man?
It was an old man. He was sitting in the water, looking very surprised. I realized I was in the men's bath.
What did you do? Did you say something?
I didn't say a word. I just grabbed my towel, turned around, and ran like a professional athlete. I didn't stop until I reached my hotel room.
Sophie, you are a legend. Your face is turning red just talking about it.
It stayed red for 2 days. I was too afraid to go back to that bathhouse.
Well, at least the food must have made you feel better.
Definitely. Look at this bowl of Hakata ramen. The soup is white and very creamy. I ate it at a small stand called a yatai by the river.
Wow! Look at that soft, boiled egg. It looks perfect. I can almost smell it through the screen.
And look at this, Kumamoto Castle. It is so strong and grand. But I got into trouble there too.
Again? Did you enter the wrong castle this time?
No, but I met a very friendly cat near the castle walls. It was a black and white cat with a very cute tail. It started walking away, and I followed it because I wanted to take a video.
You and your cats. You always forget where you are when you see a cat.
Exactly. I followed it into a small forest behind the castle. After 10 minutes, the cat disappeared, and I realized I didn't know the way back. My phone battery was at 5%.
That is actually quite scary. How did you get out?
I found a group of elementary school students on a field trip. I just followed them back to the main gate. They thought I was their teacher for a moment.
You are like a character in a cartoon. Sophie. But those photos of the mountains are really beautiful. I feel a bit jealous now.
Watching these photos makes me want to pack my bags. We haven't traveled together since last year.
You're right. Sophie had her adventure. Now it's our turn. Where should we go next month?
I was thinking about that on the plane. Since I just enjoyed the Japanese mountains, how about we visit the mountains in Taiwan?
Are you talking about Jiufen? I've seen so many beautiful pictures of the red lanterns at night.
Yes, Jiufen. It looks like the movie Spirited Away. I want to walk through those narrow old streets.
Exactly. We can find a traditional tea house, sit by the window, and look at the Pacific Ocean while we drink hot tea.
And we can't forget the food. I heard the taro balls there are famous. They are served hot or cold with sweet beans.
I want the cold ones. I love the Q texture. It's so chewy and sweet.
Then it's settled. Our next mission, the old streets of Jiufen. I promise I will check the signs carefully before I enter any bathroom this time.
And I will bring a power bank for your phone so you don't get lost following cats.
I'll be the navigator. Let's book the tickets tonight. I can't wait to eat those taro balls and take 1,000 photos with you guys.
To our next trip, to Jiufen.
To Jiufen.
To Jiufen.
Vocabulary and phrases. Refreshed. She felt refreshed after a long sleep. Souvenir. I bought a small fan as a souvenir from Japan. Onsen. Kyushu is famous for its natural onsens. Embarrassing. Falling down in public was very embarrassing. Professional athlete. She ran as fast as a professional athlete. Soft, boiled egg. I love putting a soft, boiled egg in my ramen. Field trip. The students are on a field trip to the museum. Navigator. You be the navigator and I will drive the car. Chewy. These taro balls are very chewy and sweet. Settled. It's settled. We are going to Taiwan.
Hello everyone. I'm Momo. Was this lesson helpful? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories. You are doing a great job. See you in the next video. Happy learning!